Welcome, Pavan. Thank you so much for coming. I'm really interested in what your background is as far as blockchain programming.
Thanks for having me, Pamo. I've been a developer for a long time, CTO of a healthcare company, and I've taught web and mobile development. And then in 2016, I started getting into Ethereum, and then into the smart contract development. Just really, really curious, just like going through the code and really just trying to make something. And I'm working on a few dApps right now.
And I hear that you teach at Berkeley, is that right?
Yeah, at Berkeley Extension, like at 160 Spear Street.
Right.
There's a great location right there, right next to a Starbucks.
And as well online.
Yeah, I teach online as well. Yeah.
Fantastic. And so tell me a little bit about the presentation that you're going to do in June.
Sure, it's an intro to Ethereum development. So there's a lot of technologies to use, and it's really hard for beginners because there's a lot of different things. And even before that, you have to have some basic understanding of what these things are doing.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is we'll walk through the different technologies and how to get started and the common errors that you'll encounter, because there are many common errors that you'll encounter.
Okay.
And that's what we'll get people started on developing on the Ethereum platform.
And so what do you think someone would take away from that particular presentation?
Yeah, the big thing they'll take away is like being able to walk away and start coding on
Right.
on the Ethereum network because it is very hard to get started right now because there's so many different technologies.
Yeah.
And just reading about what they are is exhausting. So
Yeah.
we'll basically go over what they are from a very like plain English perspective, right, without going into coding.
Okay.
We'll go over how they relate to Ethereum, and then we'll go over basically a small project, like how, the structure of it and the code behind it and how it works. And then I'll share that code with everyone.
Fantastic. Thanks, Pavan. I'm looking forward to it.
Awesome. Yeah, me too.